This machine looks like a big metal box. Its sides are covered in shining brass. Workers built it in the 1880s. They wanted a fast way to do math. They used gears instead of chips. Each gear is a tiny calculator. When a gear turns, it adds a number. When many gears turn together, they can solve big problems. The engine has a big wooden display. Numbers light up as copper rods. Operators pull levers to start a calculation. Steam hisses from a tiny boiler. The steam pushes pistons that move the gears. Light pulses when a calculation finishes. The design is very loud. You hear clicks and whistles. The whole room feels alive. Engineers printed paper with steam-powered printers. The printer uses rotating ink rollers. The ink is heated by the same steam. This machine helped early scientists. It showed that machines could think like people. It inspired the first real computers. Some say it was a step toward modern laptops. Others call it a beautiful art piece. Its brass look still inspires designers today. Museums now display a restored model. Visitors watch the gears turn in silence. The engine reminds us that old ideas can shape new tech. It teaches us to mix old craft with new needs. Imagine a phone that works by turning gears. That would be wild but fun. The brass brain shows imagination can beat limits. It still sparks curiosity in every viewer. Keep dreaming, and maybe your steampunk idea will change the world.